In this video, we will present you 3 altcoins with tiny market caps that you should accumulate before the next bull run arrives. These crypto gems could make you really huge gains. We will save the best for last and show you our favorite altcoin, which we're accumulating heavily right now, at the end of the video. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight called Trias. Trias stands for Trustworthy and Reliable Intelligent Autonomous Systems, and is an all-platform development and collaborating ecosystem designed to improve trust in computerized machinery and software. It aims to build trust in all machines that produce data, such as self-driving cars, manufacturing machines, dApps, and more. In addition, its decentralized software service allows more users access than the current centralized cloud space owned by tech giants such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Trias is composed of 3 layers: Leviathan, Promoth, and Mag Carta. These layers have their own tokenomics that also rewards operators. Leviathan integrates trusted execution environments and heterogeneous consensus graph, a graph computing algorithm similar to Hasgraph. This layer ensures the integrity of the computing nodes that serve as the underlying layer for other public chains, including Ethereum and Hyperledger. Promoth combines formal verification and DSO methodologies to achieve traceable and verifiable general-purpose software development. Mag Carta is a consensus-oriented programming paradigm to achieve self-defined consensus strategy for high-order enterprise dApps. It uses smart contract languages to schedule and coordinate Promoth applications on the Leviathan network. Furthermore, Trias is already being used to build a project called Triathon. This project uses gaming to provide project builders and token holders with the ability to drive crypto projects' testing and auditing process during their full life cycles. To do this, it incorporates a metaverse platform where users can find bugs and exploits in new blockchain projects for rewards. Besides the 3 layers of Trias, they also have their own product, Trias Force. Trias Force, a software complex developed by the Trias team, is a data science as a service that ensures the trustworthiness of the underlying software. The Trias concept and architecture were developed by Anbang Ruan. With a doctorate in computer security from the University of Oxford, he's uniquely qualified to produce cutting-edge trust-enhancing technology, such as Trias. The other core members of the Trias Lab team include graduates from Oxford, London School of Economics, Tsinghua University, and other top institutions of higher learning known for producing leaders in economics and computer science. The core Trias team includes members with expertise in aerospace, finance, mobile communications, cloud computing, and online commerce. The Trias token, while still in its early stages, has the potential to achieve great success in the future. However, it is important to note that the technology that underlies the Trias token is the real star of the show. With its innovative and cutting-edge features, it is clear that this technology is poised to revolutionize the blockchain industry. Trias currently has a market cap of 25 million. Once this project catches steam, a market cap of 5 billion is not crazy to think of in a bull run and is an amazing 200x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is Alethea AI. Artificial intelligence has completely transformed the way humans work, interact, and consume content. Its impact can be seen across various domains of life and industries, including the rapidly growing cryptocurrency industry. The combination of AI and NFTs is not a new concept. In fact, AI technology is already being utilized in the creation of NFT art and music. For instance, startups like Eponym have introduced AI algorithms that can convert text into abstract art pieces, which are then sold on NFT marketplaces. However, Alethea, a pioneering company in this field, aims to take the integration of AI and NFTs to the next level. They are striving to create an entirely new category of intelligent assets that possess distinctive AI personality traits. These assets have the ability to grow and evolve based on the data they consume. Alethea has developed a decentralized protocol that facilitates the creation of smart avatars, utilizing AI for interactions with individuals. This platform has introduced a groundbreaking standard for NFTs known as the Intelligent NFT, or INFT. By incorporating AI animation, voice synthesis, and generative AI capabilities, INFTs offer unprecedented opportunities for developers to create, train, and earn from their creations within Alethea's metaverse, aptly named Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark is the heart of Alethea's vision, encompassing a wide array of proprietary and cutting-edge AI models. The artificial liquid intelligence engine, which powers the intelligent metaverse, is just one of the many innovative features offered. As the popularity and adoption of INFTs within Noah's Ark continue to grow, the potential for interactions and collaborations between these intelligent assets becomes limitless. This will pave the way for the emergence of an interconnected, intelligent hive mind that fuels the AI engine of the Ark. Alethea's ultimate objective is to establish an ecosystem that delves into the essence of humanity and the concept of personality. Notably, Alethea has already made significant strides in this direction. In June 2021, they made headlines by selling their first INFT, an AI-powered avatar named Alice, through the prestigious Sotheby's auction house, fetching an astounding price of nearly $478,000. This remarkable achievement highlights the tremendous potential and value that INFTs hold. The Alethea project has garnered substantial attention from institutional investors and has even received backing from prominent billionaire crypto investor Mark Cuban. It is increasingly viewed as a gateway to the metaverse, a virtual world interconnected with other virtual realms, akin to the futuristic visions depicted in science fiction novels such as Ready Player One and Snow Crash. In conclusion, through their innovative approach to integrating AI with NFTs, Alethea is spearheading a transformative movement. With its groundbreaking intelligent NFTs, Noah's Ark metaverse, and visionary goals, Alethea is undoubtedly reshaping the landscape of AI and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of digital assets. Alethea currently has a market cap of 60 million. A market cap of 6 billion is doable in the future for this hyped AI project, and is a hefty 133x from here. Our final project of this video, and also our favorite one which we are accumulating heavy, is Ator Protocol. To understand Ator, you first have to know more about the TOR project. Tor project stands for the Onion Routing Project. It is a decentralized network that allows users to browse the internet anonymously. The data you send and receive goes through different relay nodes, so your IP address becomes hidden and your activity becomes difficult to track. The United States government initially created the Tor project to allow its agents to communicate anonymously across the globe. Then it was later released as open source software. However, using Tor does not guarantee absolute security, since attackers could exploit vulnerabilities in the source code. Now people use the Tor project for various reasons, such as privacy protection, to bypass crypto censorship, to communicate safely in heavily censored areas, and to prevent hackers from intercepting their data. Tor has over 2.5 million daily users, but here are some problems with the Tor project. The network is slow because only 7,000 relay nodes exist globally. Also, there are no incentives for the community to run these relay nodes, and running nodes is not only expensive, but also requires a great deal of hefty knowledge. Here is where Ator comes to the rescue. Ator is a project that solves those aforementioned problems by providing economic incentives for Tor contributors. Ator rewards people who host relay nodes with Ator tokens. That creates an incentive to host more nodes, leading to a faster Tor network. A faster network attracts more users. Ator also claims to sell physical relays and routers to ease the cost of running nodes and ease users into the process without requiring much technical knowledge. They also reward relay nodes with Ator tokens in exchange for bandwidth through a process called proof of uptime. The Ator token has a number of utilities that make it a valuable asset for its holders. One of its primary uses is to incentivize users to provide uptime for the Tor relay, a critical tool for maintaining online anonymity and privacy. In addition to this, the token offers holders the opportunity to gain early access to cutting-edge hardware, giving them a competitive edge in the market. It's worth noting that the team behind Ator is actively engaged with the community, providing regular updates and news through their Twitter and Medium channels. This level of transparency and communication is essential for building trust and confidence amongst users, and helps to establish Ator as a reliable and trustworthy project in the eyes of the public. Crypto is about owning your data. Since using relays makes it harder to track and sell that data, incentivizing the growth of the Tor network fulfills a part of the crypto ethos, and that's what Ator stands for. Easier access to browsers that provide a good level of privacy is what the Web3 world needs to actually start transitioning into owning their data. Ator currently has a market cap of 45 million. A market cap of 10 billion is not crazy to think of in the future, and is a crazy 220x from here. Thanks for watching and make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.